Alright, y'all. I think I saw my buddies from that old video of mine, which I chasing those Ducatis. Took me so long to pull over and turn my camera on, though. Gotta catch up. Truck started left ahead of me. Okay, cool. Oh, feels good to ride. It's been a while. Had a number of rides on the comfort seat. This is the last video I think I did was the comfort seat. Had a number of rides on it, and I'm sold on the purchase. I'm happy I bought it. I see the Ducatis. Hey man, how you been? Hey, how's it going? Been a while. You guys going?
Back there.
Yeah.
We were wondering when you were going to turn her off.
I was like, I'm pretty sure it was the same guys. I've got this plug in my back tire, so I'm just here to look at beautiful bikes and stay back here trying not to get hit by rocks. Yeah, there's a local cop up ahead on the left lane. We're all chilling right now. Is he heading out? SB2 didn't want to play with cops hanging around. I didn't even notice. I'll have to look at the footage if he had a plate or not. Might be why he has no intention to go in this direction. Watch him go that way, immediately turn around, come back the way we're going. Last time I recorded these guys, I labeled it chasing them, but it was more just I wanted to ride with them. I'm not trying to race dudes like this. This is just for fun. I haven't really ridden this thing all that fast with this seat on it. I'm in a Ducati sandwich. I hope he took that cool. Like, I didn't mean to freak him out. He's on comms with the guy in front of me, so they're probably talking to each other. But the dick just did a wheelie past me like an asshole. He knows it was in good fun. Road is filthy though. It's terrifying to ride like this. All I know is I've missed riding. Whew, it feels so good to ride on this bike. He's being cautious because none of us have been out on this road today, and who knows the conditions. Feels good to stretch this bike's legs a little. It's been cooped up. cooped up for a few weeks now. Too cold or I've been out of town. Oh, damn. Got the Ducati Desert X. Whew, that thing sounds nice. Whew, I thought that Mazda with the bar on the roof was a cop. I'm over here dicking around like a douche. Attention to these people in front of me. I don't know this road. Ah, fuck! Ah, he just spit so many rocks. Knuckle protection on these gloves because they're winter gloves, and that rock centered right between the two knuckles. Ow! Hopefully a bike's okay. Knuckle will heal. That was a large patch of rocks though. It is so gravelly, it's terrifying me. Yeah, he doesn't want to get hit by rocks either. Hand gesture to go ahead. Oh, this guy's stopping. Both legs out. This whole road sucks. This was so bad. The gravel, it was so bad. Yeah, that. That was fun. Slow ride, cruising turned into a fast-paced chaser. Hopefully, it's still rolling. Hopefully the audio is good, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching. Anytime you get to follow really nice bikes around and actually ride like that, it's a good day. It's a nice day to be out. Get a legit daps. Great looking bikes. Still say one day, you know.